حتى إذا جاء أمرنا وفارت النور قل نحمل فيها من كل زوجين اثنين وأهلك إلا من سبق عليه القول وما آمن معه إلا قليل.
So it was, until when our command came and the oven overflowed. We said, load upon the ship of each creature 2 mates and your family, except those about whom the word has proceeded, and include whoever has believed. But none had believed with him except a few.